This video explains how to allow a user to access system settings. To permit any user access to the system settings, regardless of their security role, navigate the users and then select Roles and Permissions. Select the security role to whom you want to allow access, for example, an instructor. Click on the pen icon to edit the role. From the set of permissions, choose the Manage System Settings. Click the Update button to save the changes. Now each user in the system with the instructor role will have permission to view and manage system settings. Let's now log in as an instructor. As you may see, this user now has permission to access and configure the system settings.